Without using a calculator or four-figure table, find the value of tan 157.5 degrees in surd form. Tangent of an angle in the second quadrant has a negative value. We call it equation 1. Recall that tan half of 45 degrees equals tan 22.5 degrees. Let beta equals 45 degrees and half of beta equals 22.55 degrees. Thus, we have equation in angle beta from trigonometric identity for special angle 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees equals to 1. Hence, the equation in tan beta equals tan 45 degrees, which is equals to 1, and we call it equation 2. Also, we can use trigonometric identity to simplify the tan sum of half of beta as shown. Substitute this value in equation 2 and we have new equation for the tan sum of half of angle beta. Let tan half of beta equals to y and we substitute in above equation to form a quadratic equation in y. Simplify by cross multiplication, rearrange the terms in one side of the equation and we have that y squared plus the product of 2 and y minus 1 equals to 0. Use general formula for quadratic equation to find y, where, in this case, b equals 2, a equals 1 and c equals -1. Substitute in above equation and we have the simplified value of y. Since y equals tan half of beta, which is equals to tan 22.5 degrees, this is a positive value and so we take the positive result of y. That is, y equals to -1 plus the square root of 2 and we call it equation 3. Now, we have gotten the value of tan 22.5 degrees. We need to find the value of 157.5 degrees. Recall that, from equation 1, tan 157.5 degrees equals to negative tan 22.5 degrees. Substitute the value of tan 22.5 degrees from equation 3, not equation z. Therefore tan 157.5 degrees equals to 1 minus square root of 2.